Hello and good day. My name's Tyler Webb. I'm in business development with Allegion. I'm here today with
Mike Ciaccia, Director of Enterprise Access Control and Technology Solutions with Motorola Solutions.
And we wanted to talk today about your on-prem solution with the Allegion hardware.
Yeah, so Unity Access is our on-prem access control. It's a Linux-based kernel. We have integration with the LEB, the NDEB, the control locks. We have integration with the 8400, the 8402, the 8300, the 8302. And we do it a bunch of different ways, right? With the 8400, it's through a PIM and Mercury. With the NDEB and LEB, I know we're gateway with Mercury. We also have gateway direct. We also have the ability to do Wi-Fi with NDEB and LEB.
Wow, that is a lot of integration.
It is a lot of integration.
So basically, you're able to provide a solution for any opening.
Yes.
On virtually anywhere. You can be aftermarket upgrades. You can use a gateway. You can go directly back to the panel. Basically, the options are kind of endless.
It's really a customer choice at this point, right? You guys make great offerings and great locks that allow us to meet the customer where their needs are and just give them a solution that would fit what they want.
And how about credential technology, right? We're still talking future-proof solution. Yep. It can be plastic, it can be mobile, it can be NFC at some point, it can virtually be anything just with some configuration on the lock itself.
Yep, and support for the Allegion readers as well, all through Mercury, being able to use all the locks and be able to configure everything for whatever you guys want to do. If you want instant lockdown, we have that functionality. You have an office space, you just need a gateway to do it, we have that. You're a campus, you want to do Wi-Fi, we have that solution for you as well.
It's a really good partnership. I absolutely love that you promote our hardware so much. The open interoperability of it, virtually any use case, retail, all the way through to enterprise systems.
Higher education, you name it, we have a solution for it, right? We play in a lot of different markets and the hardware is easy to use and easy to install.
Excellent. Well, as always, I love talking shop with you. Have a great one.
Thanks, you too.